Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you how to install a 360 lace frontal. So we're going to begin with braiding the client's hair. Alright, how to braid. We're going to part the client hair into sections. So you can either part it straight down the middle, making two big sections, or starting from the sides and doing at least 8 to 9 small sections like I'm doing right now. All right, we're just going to continue braiding all the way down. Second step, part the hair down the middle first from forehead to the neck. Then you're going to divide each small sections into 5 more sections, like I said. And when you're doing this, once you're braiding, you're trying to braid from the forehead all the way down to the neck. And how you connect the neck, you're braiding regularly, just taking the hair, looping it over the center, looping it over the one end to the other. But once you get all the way to the bottom of the braiding, you're going to take the previous braid you did, the ends, loop it into the current braid that you're braiding, and then just braid those two down together. You're going to be repeating the same process over and over by dividing, sectioning, and then French braiding. So now we're to the second step of bleaching the knots on the 360 lace wig. I'm using 30 volume developer and I'm using the purple bleach powder. I will put all the products and items I'm using in this video down in the description box. The lace piece that I'm using is a 360 straight hair. The wig came pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit more. And yeah, so I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks and everything. It has the elastic band, the caps, and all that. So using the 30 volume developer, I'm going to put a little bit of that into the bowl. I'm going to take the powder first. Take the cup that is in the powder, scoop the powder out the cup, and then apply the product into a bowl. So you're now going to take the Salon Cure Volume 30 developer and put it into the bleach powder that is already in the bowl. We're trying to get a thick consistency, so we did not use too much developer. We didn't use too much of the Salon Care developer because we want a thick consistency. If we were going to be dyeing a hair, we would use more of a liquid or runny consistency. So now you're gently going to bleach the knots. I am taking my brush and I am putting the product, which is the bleach, directly on the lace, but I am not pushing it too hard onto the lace. I'm gently applying it so that it does not over bleach the knots. Once you over bleach your knots, you can fix it up, but that process is an extra work and we're just trying to avoid that. Keep the bleach on the hair for at least 6 to 7 minutes. If it does not bleach within the 6 to 7 minutes, that means the knots are a lot stronger or they're very dark. So then you're going to leave it in for a little bit longer. And if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the second part to this video. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look, the baby hair, and styling this unit on my client. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.